in physics, which is torque, angular momentum, and equilibrium, right? So here we have the first topic, which is rigid body. Now, what is rigid body? Actually, this is quite common concept, but literally saying that many students are confused that what is actually rigid body. They misunderstood this topic. So what is rigid body? Basically, rigid body, a body a body having a definite shape. Basically, consider that, okay, let me draw a body over here. If you can see, this is a body over here. Let me draw another body over here. Consider that this is a body, right? And I'm marking a distance, like here is a point A, which is point A, right? And this is point B. I'm marking it B, and the distance between A and B is, this is the line, right? And the distance between them is, consider it's oh my god, it's 10 centimeter, right? So the distance is 10 centimeter. Now consider that I have applied a kind of force over here. I am applying a force, which is force F, right? And applying force from everywhere, like it's my wish, where from wherever I'm applying this force. Okay, after applying the force, you notice that the distance isn't changed. Consider this is the same body, and this is point A, this is point B, this is A, and this is B, and the distance between them is still 10. The distance between them is still 10. So there is no such kind of deformation. There is no deformation, right? So body in which we apply force, and after applying the force, the body does not deform. There is no such deformation, right? That particular body is basically known as rigid body, which does not come in the influence of force. Basically, these type of rigid body are only available in the ideal condition. Basically, they are ideal. These rigid bodies are ideal, right? So basically, in reality, or you can say, no real body is truly rigid, right? Since real bodies deforms under the influence of force, right? So basically, we don't have any, real body which is truly rigid, right? It is truly rigid, since all body is deformed under the influence of force, right? So I hope this is clear to you, the concept of the rigid body, that no real body is truly rigid. If we apply force and the body deforms, now it is not a rigid body, but if the body does not deform, that is known as a rigid body.